Hello everyone, Maria back with another Tech Tuesday video. Today we'll be going over our database, newspapers archive, and it's just basically a huge archive with articles and newspapers from all over the world, including obituaries, family history records. So once again, it's great for not only researching if you're looking for articles pertaining to a certain event, but it's also good for genealogy if you're looking for those obituaries or different things that happen. I looked up the day I was born and the big snowstorm that happened that my mom tells me about. So I ended up looking up that. You can see pictures, old photos. It's just a really cool thing to look through. But yeah, so I'm going to show you guys how to do a basic search and show you how in-depth it gets and how wide different newspaper reach that it has on this database. So let me get rid of my video. Okay. So as always, we're going to go to our website, mapld.org. And we're going to go to research and learning, A to Z list. We're going to go down to newspaper archive. You're going to want to pick the one that says outside the library. So two things are going to happen when you click on that. It's going to first ask for your library card number, just your number, not the PIN. So go ahead and grab your library card number and submit that. Once you do, it's going to have you make a actual sign in. So you're going to put in your email address, password. It will send an activation link to whatever email address you choose to put in, and then you just click on it, it'll activate it, it'll take you back to this page and you can sign in. Once you do this the first time, if you go back, you always have to put in your library card, and then it'll take you straight to this page right here. So if you're not registered, you click registered, and then go ahead and put in your library card. So like right now, it's re-authenticate your library card because I didn't put one in on this page. So you just do first name, last name, email, register. It'll send you that email link. You're going to click on that to authenticate it, and then you should be able to come back here and log in. Once you do, this is how the website will look. So you have browse by location, you can browse by date, you can do a search, you can ask a librarian too, so you can actually send a message to somebody to help you locate more information. Anything you do, look for clippings and stuff like that, or save searches, you can actually put in your account. That's why they ask you to make an account, so you can save your searches for later. There's also a help. So frequently asked questions, you could take a tutorial and browse available papers, search different type of searching techniques. If you have any questions about the services or running into, say, like an error where maybe a picture is not popping up, you can definitely send that to their customer service too. But yeah, we can actually just go back and do a first name, last name search. So keeping up with our Black History Month theme, I'm going to go ahead and put Martin Luther King and I hit search. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to limit this because this is a lot of information. Of course, Martin Luther King is going to have a lot of information coming up about him. I'm going to put it on the 60s, and I'm going to just do the United States of America, even though that is still a lot of different types of publications. You don't want to have the rest of these with them. There's going to be a million there that's going to pop up. So then you're going to go ahead and do refine search. So as you're going to see, I picked 1960s in particular because that is unfortunately when he was assassinated. But being able to click on, say, for example, the Baltimore here, Afro-American newspaper, you click on it, you can actually see images and the headlines that took place around the world when this tragic event happened. And it's impactful, just a researcher's and just a humanitarian standpoint, just being able to see these photos. When I first did this to record this video, to show you guys how to use it, it hit me pretty hard. I wasn't expecting to see images like this. And it's definitely just seeing the way, the words and the way the verbiage and everything is still back then, even after his assassination. It's just, eye-opening to see, progress, lack of progress that we have going on right now. But this is just an amazing tool to go back and see just the standpoints of history. Go back to previous page. So that's going to take you to the previous page. As far as, like, say you were opening up the newspaper and you have it in front of you, So that's going to be what previous page and next page means. Come on. Sometimes you got to refresh it. Sometimes it doesn't reload. That's the only thing that I've kind of like ran into when I was doing this. But besides that, it's actually pretty easy to use. You can search within this page. So say if you're looking for a specific, a reverend or somebody that was doing a talk on his passing at that time, you could also just search the name too, and locations, any type of keywords in that area, and then click on the search. Let me go back out. Also going through some of the other things like click on, what are these? King's funeral and little church. So just seeing these different types of across the United States and how they reported on the tragedy that had happened. Then you have more like this, for example. I just think this is amazing how we're able to see how the world mourned and memorialized his passing. And like I said, this is a great way for you to actually use if you were doing a research paper on Martin Luther King. Instead of going through the basic books and databases, this is another in-depth way to capture the tone of the nation. You want to write from that perspective. So this is a really cool way to change your writing style and not always just be so direct and just, black and white as far as what, research books and things like that have. This is all editorials and it kind of captures how people feel. There's just so much you can go through as far as here, and you can keep going. There's a lot of information, but that's just the gist of this this website. So it's real easy to use. First name, last name. You can do keywords too if you're looking for a specific date and city. You can browse by location too. So if you just wanted to get, say, for example, go back. Click too fast. If you wanted to go just to Illinois and you wanted to see newspapers in specific areas of R. So we have even, anything from like Lothian, Crete, Homewood, Dalton, all our surrounding neighborhoods too. We have LaGrange, Lansing, Tinley Park, South Holland. So if you were looking for just, a specific newspaper from those surrounding suburban areas around us too, you can definitely go ahead and access that. You can see Matson too. So you click on Matson, you'll see different types and they'll give you the time periods just to make it a little more easier for you. But that's about it. That's Newspaper Archive. Once again, you're going to go to our website. You're going to go to mapld.org. You're going to need your library card. If you have any problems, for my little video, if you have any problems with just logging in or for some reason your library card's not working, just give us a call at 708-748-4431, and right underneath there is our email too. You can also email us or use the Let's Talk feature. We can just write the question to a librarian and we can automatically just respond to you online too. But once you get to that, if you have your library card, remember research and learning, A to Z list. Go down to Newspaper Archive outside the library. Make sure you click on the right one. You're going to put your library card number. You're going to register, name, first name, last name, email address. And then remember, you have to activate the link in your email. So remember, go to your email after you register, click on that, and you'll be able to log in. But yeah, that's basically Newspaper Archive. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay safe, stay healthy. Until next time, see you guys. Bye.